Barbara.
Salve.
Giovanni.
Alberto, piacere.
Giovanni.
Alberto.
Io sono una sorta di figlia d'arte.
I'm a daughter of heart, and I remember that since I was small, I was on my mother's lap, who was a painter. Her brush box was a magic box to me. These are my children.
Questi sono i miei figli. Io ancora non sapevo leggere e scrivere e guardando questi quadri...
I was fascinated by my mother's world. I couldn't read or write yet, but my mother's art magazines fascinated me.
Poi crescendo disegnavo quello che attorno a me mi piaceva.
Then as I got older, I started drawing everything I saw around me. Here is 25 years ago. This year is our anniversary.
Va bene. Ok.
All'inizio ho iniziato con il bianco e il nero perché mi piaceva.
At first, I used black and white, and later switched to other angers. During the lockdown, I suffered from not being able to go out, not being able to visit our towns and be inspired.
Andiamo nello studio.
Let's go to my studio. This is my kingdom. There are 2 desks.
Allora, qui è dove io disegno, ho queste 2 scrivanie, a seconda della luce mi metto in questo o nell'altro. Sì, questa è una medusa, rappresenta l'io umano, dove ogni...
This one is a Medusa, symbol of our Sicily. This is a sketch for an upcoming exhibition. It's the Spanish royal coats of arms, reminding us of the Aragonese domination, which I took from the front door in the historic center of Augusta.
L'ingresso del centro storico di Augusta. Pubblicazioni pure di quadri miei su
Here are my art books. Here are all the exhibitions I've done around Italy. Here are publications with my paintings and several critical notes.
Non potendo mandare in giro, io ho desiderato questa Sicilia.
During the lockdown, I felt the need to paint my Sicily. And here are some of my works. This woman is the result of great passion of mine. The Sicilian Maiolica, I think the most beautiful in the Mediterranean, which recalls the Spanish and Arab dominations. I recall the Maiolica in the air of the other Sicilian woman. I put cards, prickly pears, lemons of Sicily.
Questa è molto bella.
Infatti ho riprodotto un simbolo della Sicilia.
This is a symbol of Sicily, the prickly pear cactus. Here are the Moors, another Sicilian symbol.
I tuoi bellissimi mori.
Sì, i Mori, sì, ho ripreso questa leggenda di amore e di vendetta che risale al periodo dell'invasione araba in Sicilia. Quest'opera rappresenta un attimo che io ho sognato. Qualche mese fa ho sognato di trovare...
This woman is autobiographical. I dreamed I was at dawn on a late summer day, and I was lying on the floor of a terrace of a large Sicilian villa, and then I woke up with the smell of Sicilian lemons.
In questo sogno di essermi sdraiata sulle maioliche del terrazzo per cercare frescura. Questo si chiama lo Stupor Mundi, è il mio personaggio storico preferito.
This is the Stupor Mundi, my favorite historical figure, our great king of Sicily, Frederick II. He was a patron and hosted poets, writers, musicians at his court in Palermo. This is how I imagined him. I have hidden among the squiggles some symbols, the coat of arms of the House of Swabia. Here is the date, 1194, which is the date of his birth. 1198, when he became king of Sicily, at only 4 years old. 1215, he became king of Germany, and 1220, when he was called emperor of the Holy Roman Empire. My favorite Sicilian dish is parmigiana.
Perfetto, il tuo piatto preferito?
Sì.
Benissimo. Va bene, Barbara, penso che possa andare. Grazie, bravissima.